What do you want to go to Carnival to see?
Food.
Is the girls?
Partly. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's actually almost afternoon and I'm actually not in Toronto anymore. We're visiting with Smita and her husband John, who you guys know so well. And we're actually at their home, which we're so happy to be at. It's so nice to come here and actually spend time with them in their space. They're always in Jamaica, and so to be here with them in their home is just so lovely. And their two dogs, which I'm going to introduce you to later. They have two rescue dogs, Delilah and Andy, and they're so sweet. So yeah, we're actually setting up to go on the road right now. We're going to go to a mall nearby. We had some last minute things to pick up, and then we are gonna probably get something to eat, and then we have a whole thing planned for later. I think we're doing sushi later and stuff, and guess what we're also gonna be doing later? Do you see this behind me? We're going in the hot tub, which I'm so excited about because it's really warm in there, even though it's quite crisp out. It's like, what now, Smita, like 55 degrees? Yeah, it's about that now. And they said it might get to like a high of 62. I was checking the weather app. So right now we're having a minute outside with the doggies. Smita is watching them in her beautiful backyard. And you can't see now, but there's Andy and Delilah back there somewhere. How long you have Delilah now, Smita?
Almost 11 years.
11 years. And Andy?
His age is unknown, but we've had him for 6-7 years.
Okay. There she is. And see Andy back there. Andy have one eye here, people. Andy have one eye, but it don't bother him. Him get on with life, and him sweet as ever. Anyway, we're gonna go now. Tessie is getting herself together, and yeah, so happy to be here with Smita and John. It's like, you know, obviously you're with your family, so you feel safe and happy. And we sat down this morning, had our coffee, and just had a really insightful, interesting chat, which is what we love. There she is. Hi, Delilah. I have two doggies at home that would love you. Oh yes, but I don't think you would love them. They would give you a hard time, old girl. She say yes. I'm through here to have a look at the creek. Oh my gosh. That must be beautiful in the summer. You guys can't really see it. Wow, there's a whole creek. We just said that's a whole river. Wow. Oh, I wish you guys could see it properly, but that's so cool. Can you see that in there? Wow. Wow. Can you imagine it is someone how pretty that must be? Gorgeous. I love to hear. You hear this? This is what I love to hear. Can you hear that? Leaves crunching. I love that.
Whirl-proof one. That's why it looks like this.
Oh, so you have to put it in that. I want to get one when I go back home.
The rod, and they can't climb up this.
Oh.
Okay.
But how do the birds get to it?
You'll see.
Watch out. All right, mommy homemaker. Watch it. Watch it. Okay, so it goes there. Oh, you mean the squirrels can't climb up the pole?
Yeah.
I see what you're saying now.
You can't just put up a regular bird because they'll eat it all.
Got it.
If a heavy bird came,
Yeah.
the thing will shut.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So this whole thing I had to research.
I want to get a bird feeder when I go home. If we were here longer, we could have taken a little hike.
Yeah,
No?
I could have taken you to proper parks. You would love
Ooh. I just said to Smita and John that the kids would absolutely love it here, and Momo. So we have to come back with the whole family. Like, it's a must. And by the way, there were so many MTM cousins. It was crazy. Even at the gala, I got to meet so many people. And man, guys, we have to figure out how to do like meet and greets and literally have get-togethers and meet up with everybody, all the MTM family everywhere. I was literally so overwhelmed, but also it was a heartwarming experience. Just even walk up and down and meet people, but then at the gala to see so many MTM family, it was great. So yeah, I need to figure that out. Really need to figure that out. If you have any ideas, Drop them in the comments. Would we do a meet and greet? Would it be like an event? Maybe there's I don't know what that would look like. What could you imagine something like that could look like? And then what could that look like in other places too? Like if we went to Florida or to New York or England even, what would that look like? I'm gonna start thinking about that. All right, Miss Mom, ready?
Girl, you filmed the documentary.
You look so nice.
Thank you. Is there a full length mirror anywhere in this house?
Them no want we look for ourselves. I just went and looked at the creek.
Creek?
Yes, our river. God, Andy will soon come back here.
It's a sin.
We soon come back. Look out for with one eye. I'm hanging out with Wayne way too much. I just told the dog to look out for me with one eye.
Are you going?
Where am I going?
Where are you going?
I'm not going nowhere. I'm just going outside to see what's going on. Cause I just wake up. I just wake up.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Okay.
You have breakfast?
I wake up already.
You have a band-aid on. Did you get a boo-boo? Really? Or is that just a fashion band-aid?
I carry my hair.
Fashion band-aid, yes. Not a thing, do you? Not a thing, do you?
Keep my hair.
Okay. Alright, Asu come. Hello guys. Good day, good day. What is up? I hope everybody is doing fine out there. It is Carnival weekend. Actually Carnival Sunday. Actually Road Mad Sunday. I ain't come here for no stand up. Hey, hey, hey. I come to party with me hand up. Hey, hey. So all soca people. Right now I just waistline alone. Waistline alone. So guys, last night today's a very slow morning for me. Gio, what go on?
Yeah.
Star boy now.
Ready for the road. First official road listener people. It's a big day for me.
Yeah.
I'm always kind of just been on the little watch and see what this official first March.
Yeah.
So
It's a good thing. Good look. It's a good look. So last night we went out and we linked up with Bungie, Garlin and Fayan. We also ran into Kez. The great Kez, what go on?
My veteran.
Cool no man. Kez, you see what go on with him? You see the boy turn bacchanal boy? Bacchanal baby?
Put so many rings. It's about time Jamaica.
Cool no man.
Contributes.
Yeah man.
At our next level and consistently.
Yeah.
You know, we's gathering thing here and there, but we need a consistent.
That's
man.
true, that's true.
We need our energy, man.
Yeah man.
And your voice, my G.
Sound good.
Singer.
Yes. That's cool no man. That's cool no man. So wait, we hitting the road tomorrow?
Tomorrow night, you're going to play at the end of the road. We playing.
Big one?
Nah, right here.
Oh, right here.
Genex having something.
Oh, mad.
So we will do the after party now.
Well, support, man. Respect, man. Cool, no, man. Cool. So I vlogged a little bit of it. So we can probably punch it in right here. So, or you know what? Better yet, me have to go heal up. Nana fall there. Nana fall at left wheel. Nana fall.
Hi.
Hey, Nana.
Hi, darling.
Today's your last day.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, you're not even going to see your girls then before you go. So they had a chance to say their goodbyes and
when they left on
it wasn't
Wednesday.
adequate or appropriate, but that's how it go. I saw life go.
So it go.
Yeah.
I've really enjoyed being here as usual. I really love to come and love to stay, but I have to go.
Yeah.
I just want to say thanks MTM for always greeting me and saying all those nice things about me. I'm not that nice, you know. Don't make nobody fool you, but thank you.
You're nice. You're nicer than spicy with the white rice.
And I'll see you hopefully Christmas.
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right.
Mega send for you, Nana. No worry about it.
All right. Nobody promise them things there, you know.
No, I will talk about. I'm going to send for you.
Hello, please.
Nah, man, I will talk about.
All right, darling.
Momo, see my champion there. Me and her do it. Today's day 4 of Daddy Daycare. Momo Daycare. You want to lift up? All right, lift her up and put her in the
You're doing well. I've been watching the vlogs.
That's you?
You've been doing so well.
Yeah, go on.
It's not easy.
Hold on. All right, so guys, as I said, we went to show to that footage. After that, we're going to link up with our peeps in Canada. Want to know about Canada, people? Want to know about Montreal, Quebec, Toronto? Want to know about Calgary? Want to know about them places there? Eh? Talk to me, people. Remember, say Canada, I'm a place long time. A long time stamping ground in that. Yeah. I just not go there a long time. So I have to go send back for me. We have to go do a meet. All who say, all of my Canada crew, we say we need to come to Canada, come do a meet and greet. Somewhere we have to go in a town them, Edmonton, a whole heap of Jamaican, them place there. Yeah man, all about man. Vancouver there Canada? Vancouver there Canada, Gia? Don't quote me. Yeah. Yes, of course. You have to know the thing them. Big up the white caps. Them don't know the thing. Send for me, people. Me know the thing. Alright, watch this now. We're up on the road, you know. And we're head to Hardfet Pop-Up. So that's Bungee Garland and Fair and Lions. Brush one I play too. So guess what now, people? It's my first Carnival event for the season. But Gio been working his waistline record, right? He might work it the right way, from the ground up. He might perform night after night. Him did a campaign. So this is the culmination now. Final weekend, Carnival weekend. So we're gonna see how the song go on now in the night, because alright, yeah, so everything peak now. No? What you say? Mark, what you say?
I'm on the peak this month.
That's the producer for Waistline as well, in the background, Circa 11. So we just come link Bungee Garland and Fair now. So we're gonna link up with them and we're gonna head go over Jangas and we're gonna hold our vibe. See it? Alright, just watch the flex.
Yay us out and about in lovely old, look, we shedded our little jackets. Look at us, looking like we belong.
We're shedding skin, darling.
Yes, we are at a place called the Oshawa Center, because we're no longer in Toronto, as I told you guys. And so this is a nice little spot. Looks like they have everything, and it's just nice for us to walk around. Okay, so this mall is definitely more my speed. It's not as crowded, it's not as busy, it's not as packed, and I feel like all the stores are laid out nicely. Ooh, a Bath and Body Works. So yeah, big up to, what is this name again? Oshawa Center? Oshawa Center. Oh yeah, it's a good spot. Like it here. It's just lovely. Look at this. Just a lot more easygoing and not so busy and bumpy. I mean, the other mall is really nice to get me wrong. It's just feel like this is more my speed. That's all.
Momo, come here. Cause me don't know what kind of spirit coming here today. Cause
No, me sorry.
not even sleep. Me could have sleep from my eye opening at the 8 o'clock. Food smell. I lick me. Me don't even know what cook out. And me just smell beer thing. And me I said, no sir. What a dream or what?
See, I'm cook
our dinner
cook already.
What ya? Sunday dinner done sort out already.
Me cook some stew.
Lady.
Already. And then me go put this in my oven now. Some chicken.
Well seasoned.
Chicken.
No, me no hungry. I just from a wake up, the food I cook
And the smell.
and the smell like clap me in a room cause the picnic them in and out, you know. Man, I mean I say no sir. One time I wonder if I dream, me I dream.
What you gonna eat?
So MTM. So MTM, talk to me now. You know want me go up on the road, you know want me carrying out on the carnival road march. Talk to me now. You know my good feet in a vehicle. I might carry the boys them too. Cause we usually thing, you know. So I don't know. We have to go see what I go on. See the crew them start forwarding from earlier. My youth, wanna stay some brother? Morning, you know them early, ready from early. From Shirley out. Yeah man, the place a buzz. The place a buzz right now. So I don't know. Them little youth make me feel young again. You know what I'm saying? So guess what? But I have to go touch the road, you know. Yeah. You want to go to on the road? Yes. Huh?
Yes.
What do you mean yes? Why you answer so quick? What are carnival for you?
I don't know.
What do you want to go to carnival to see?
I don't know.
Is the girls?
Partly.
Hey little boy, come here. You're a big boy now, you know.
There's also food there.
And little food too.
Yeah.
A little vendor them and little thing and little thing. And juice. Alright, Booba. Booba want you. Booba want to go carnival too? Come. You know, daddy a bat. Hug up daddy. Hug up your daddy. Guys, she Mr. Mother. She want in her hand. Can't put her down. Spunky?
Both me and you look ready for the world, eh? Oh, the brush will come out. Brush Nana here. Oh my.
I know they're not gonna look like Nana foul.
Feel it foul, eh?
Start the day with some fruits. Yeah, them type of fruits and Tami can get a Canada so easy. Blacky mango, yellow plum, little grapes. These are imported grapes, probably imported from Canada. So yeah, our melon, our cane. You know me named Cane Marshall. You see? Well, this might be a problem. Look at that, what's going on out there, so people. This might be an issue.
Where are we going to?
Let me see.
Ozzy, look here.
Let me see what's going on.
Who is this?
Auntie
Is that Auntie Tess? Yes.
I don't know who.
Top company, so Vicebox and her Vicebox Academy is.
They're part of
Let me see.
20 companies.
Let me see. No, you come. Let me see, Grandma. You just come out with. Grandma, come and see.
Come and have a look.
Come and have a look. Come and have a look.
Yeah? You see
Yeah.
Auntie Tess is part of a group
Yeah?
of companies that are taking part in this Vision Achiever program.
Now that the rain has calmed down, I think I'm going to get ready and carry these boys to Carnival. It's a family tradition. It seems that Daddy used to carry it every year.
Yes, I know.
Don't you?
And I know you guys miss it. Every year we would be in the back of that van.
Yeah.
Park up on the side of the road.
Yeah, stand up in the
Westinghouse
van.
Road.
Yeah. That's how we
Watching the
supposed to.
revelers. Yeah, man.
Don't it? You used to come with us all the time,
Yeah,
too?
man.
Is that family?
I was
a family
always
thing?
there. I was always there.
Yeah.
Never miss it.
So don't go on like saying I know about Carnival. Give me something. Give me something.
I do.
Waistline alone. Give me something, no man. Waistline alone. Move your hips to the baseline. Gotta make it roll.
Oh, look what I live to say. My Geo. Performing waistline.
Oh, God.
I tell you.
I gotta check him out. I'm supposed to be performing on the, might be on a
On a
truck or
truck.
something. Yeah,
Now, money, I have to give him some support.
Yeah.
I don't know about checking the boys. That's the thing, you know.
No, the boys
They really
them
look
good.
like
Them
it.
love it last time.
Okay.
Yes, guys, I come clear a foreign and I have to go to supermarket. You know, it's not an empty vlog if there is no supermarket. So, heading to the supermarket now. We are going to go get what we need to get. I'll tell you the truth. The boy said to me when Smith and John came to Jamaica, they gave them a little Canadian cash. And they came to me when they heard I was coming to Canada and them give me back the money. And them said they want me buy Canada candy with the money. So I'm on a mission. Oh my God! This is not a. This put the super in supermarket. Oh my gosh! Whoa, Nelly! Wow, that's crazy. Look at this, guys. This is like a mall. This is not a supermarket. It's huge. You never seen anything like this?
What you looking for?
That's exactly what I'm looking for. Chewy, delicious. No, should we get some for John too? This is too much. I'm getting one for John. Y'all can't tell me nothing.
What I'm seeing, that is icing.
What is it?
I can't see blue, the icing, darling, but I'm
Yes, it's something. It's a Cinnabon. Maybe we can put it in the oven. No?
So why this one yellow?
That one looks like butter.
Cheese icing.
Let's go. Come on.